Alright, man, quick video. I don't know if y'all remember how it was running and sputtering and revving up and down, but now my cluster lights didn't work. None of that worked before. But today, ladies and gentlemen, whew, and now look, we have cluster lights. We have headlights. We have all the little lights. Now I just got to figure out how to turn on my dash lights, my AC lights, my window lights, and my radio. There's something going on here. We're getting close. We're getting close. Let's see how she sounds. Let's see how she sounds. Oh man, she sounds beautiful.